Hi, my name is Zsofia. I was born in Hungary and I moved to Lithuania 10 years ago, and I studied at ISM University International Marketing and Management. So I picked ISM University based on recommendations from some friends who have either completed their bachelor's or their master's degree at the university, and they told me about the courses and the fact that there's professors from different countries, different backgrounds from different industries, and I thought that was quite useful for the company that I work for now. I work as a consultant currently at Euromonitor International. Euromonitor International is a market research company, and we provide strategic insights on industries, companies, consumers, and my job as a consultant means that I am doing project management. I'm also creating different content for our consumers, such as company profiles or strategic briefings. My experience at ISM was very positive. We had quite a lot of international teachers from America, from France, from Germany, and they made us work on a lot of business cases in groups. So we discussed businesses which are at different stages, their life cycles. We worked on different marketing campaigns for actual businesses, which was very helpful. Some of the people that I went to the classes with, we still keep in touch. I follow some of their careers. So overall, it was a very positive experience. So currently, there are a lot of international companies that are setting up offices in Vilnius or even in Lithuania. And that means that there's a wide variety of opportunities. And I think that the knowledge that one would gain from going to ISM and the program would mean that they would be very likely to find a job here.